Rachel here with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect bronzer, something that's not too orange, I would highly recommend this one. This is from a company called theBalm, and I've been buying their products more and more lately. I really like their products. This is a travel size Bahama Mama bronzer, and I love the packaging that it comes in because it's green packaging. It's super cute. It's nice and small. You can see the size, of my hand, so it'll fit in your purse if you need to take it somewhere. And I love that this is just such a neutral bronzer. I think this bronzer will look really nice with fair to medium skin tones. And especially in the winter months, sometimes you just need an extra little glow. I also like that the products in this are clean. It doesn't have a ton of chemicals in it. So I think that's something for me that's really important. So if you're looking for a great bronzer, I would highly recommend this one. I love the tone. I think it works really well. And it's nice and matte, so it doesn't have a sparkle in it. I love it, and that's my point of view.